Hello everyone. In carbon assimilation part 1, we studied about definition, photosynthetic pigments and their role, photosystem 1 and 2, and electron transport chain. Today we see the different pathways by which carbon dioxide assimilation take place. The first pathway is C3 pathway or Calvin cycle. Calvin cycle, also called as dark reaction, is a series of reactions that occur in the stroma of the chloroplast. The plants that use Calvin cycle for fixation of carbon dioxide are known as C3 plants. Although it is called dark reaction, but these reactions does not occur in dark or night time. C3 cycle completes in three steps, that is carbon fixation, reduction and regeneration. The first step, that is carbon fixation, is the process of carbon fixation in which CO2 enters through the stomata of chloroplast and combines with ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate, which is a 5 carbon sugar. Rubesco is an enzyme that catalyzes this reaction. As a result of reaction, a 6 carbon compound is formed which immediately breaks into two molecules of 3 carbon phosphoglyceric acid. 3 carbon molecule is the first stable molecule in this reaction, so that it is called C3 pathway. Second step is the process of reduction, in which 6 molecules of 3 phosphoglyceric acid are phosphorylated by 6 molecules of ATP. As a result, 6 molecules of 1,3 diphosphoglyceric acid and 6 ADP are produced. Now these 6 molecules of 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid are reduced by 6 phosphoglyceraldehydes. And the last step is regeneration, in which ribulose 1,5 biphosphate is regenerated by using sum of 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde. Here we see the Calvin cycle showing the three phases of cycle, that is carbon fixation, reduction and regeneration. Now what are the significance of C3 cycle? C3 cycle is the main biochemical pathway during the dark reaction of photosynthesis. It results in the synthesis of carbohydrates from carbon dioxide. It depends on the light reaction for the supply of the ATP and NADPH2, which is required for carbon assimilation. It stores the ATP energy formed during light reaction in the carbohydrate molecules as the food energy. C3 cycle is the primary source of organic food and food energy for all the organism. Calvin cycle reaction occur in all photosynthetic plants, that is C3, C4 and CAM plants during the dark phase of photosynthesis. Next pathway of carbon dioxide assimilation is C4 cycle or Hatch and Slack pathway. The C4 cycle is an adaptation of the C3 pathway that overcomes the limitation of the photorespiration, improving photosynthetic efficiency and minimizing the water loss in dry environment. The first stable compound in C4 cycle is 4-carbon oxaloacetic acid. That's why it is called C4 cycle, and the plants which possess C4 cycle are called C4 plants. The C4 cycle is found in tropical and subtropical grasses such as maize, sugarcane, pear, millets, all the other monocots and dicots such as amaranthus and euphorbia. This is C4 cycle which is completed in the chloroplast of mesophyll cells and bundle sheet cell. In the first step of cycle, CO2 react with phosphoenol pyruvic acid to form oxaloacetic acid in the presence of enzyme phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. Now the oxaloacetic acid is converted into malate by the catalyst malate dehydrogenase. In the next step, malate is transported into bundle sheet cell, which is converted into pyruvic acid by releasing carbon dioxide. Pyruvic acid react with ATP and regenerate phosphoenol pyruvate in the presence of enzyme of pyruvate orthophosphate dikinase. So this is the C4 cycle. Now the significance of C4 cycle. C4 cycle increases the photosynthetic yield 2 to 3 times more than C3 plant. It performs a high rate of photosynthesis even when the stomata are nearly closed. It increases the adaptability of C4 plants to high temperature and high intensity. C4 plants can grow very well in saline soils because of presence of C4 organic acid. So these are the two important pathways by which carbon dioxide assimilation take place. In the next lecture, we will study about the third pathway of carbon dioxide assimilation, that is the granulation acid metabolism.